Pulse oximeters are very easy to use. It should be used correctly to get accurate measurements. Before you start using, check that it has batteries in it. Before you check the oxygen saturation, remove your nail polish or false or artificial nails if you have. If your hands are cold, warm your hands. Make sure that you are resting for at least 5 minutes before you take the measurements. Rest your hand on a chest at heart level. Turn on the pulse oximeter. Clip it on the end of the finger, middle or the index finger with your nail facing up. Either hands can be used. You will see the results in few seconds. The device gives basically two results. One is blood oxygen level, SpO2, and other one is the pulse rate. So oxygen reading usually takes a few seconds to get steady. Normally you see some fluctuation, later it gets stabilized. When you are checking, keep the pulse oximeter at least for a minute. Suppose if your reading is fluctuating or changing, keep it for more than a minute. Note the reading that has stayed for the same at least for 5 seconds. So highest of the 5 seconds is the actual reading. Take the readings 3 or more times in a day. Try to take the readings at the same time each time. Suppose if you have any difficulty breathing or if your health condition is fluctuating, then you may have to record the pulse oximeter oxygen saturations more frequently. So this is one of the example where you can monitor your health condition when you are in home isolation or quarantine. So you can make a note of the oxygen saturation levels, pulse rate, temperature, and how you are feeling, whether your health condition seems to be the same or is it improving or is it worsening. You can make a note like this. Suppose if your oxygen saturation level is less than 94%, do not panic. Just by looking at the less than 94% value, don't panic. Relax. First, let's see whether there are any errors. One is correct the position. Suppose if you have chills or rigors, or if your hands are shaking, suppose if your position is not correct, then it will not give the accurate value. Maybe you check on a different finger and record your saturation levels. Check your battery levels. Sometimes if your battery levels are low or if it is expired, then you may not get accurate values. Even with this, if your saturation is less than 94%, try to take some deep breaths or just do a small walk inside your room and try to check your oxygen saturation. If it is less than 94%, then you have to call your doctor to find out future steps.